Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you would actually use the Z-panels to construct your wall. I'm going to show you how they are attached to the studs and how they interlock with each other. So here I have a 2x6 stud that's sitting on top of my bottom plate that's sitting on my concrete blocks. So in a traditional home construction, this might be sitting on on top of your concrete foundation, or it might even be your concrete block wall, but either way it's going to look similar to this. You'll see that my stud is perfectly leveled and braced. So I have it braced so that it won't tip in either direction. I know that it is level in all ways. So then right here I have my Z-panel. I'll show you how this gets attached to the stud. So you're simply just going to take your Z-panel, you're going to bump it up tight right next to that stud so that the stud is sitting in the recess on the right side. Then you're going to take your screws, and you always want to use a coated screw. So here I have a 2.5 inch triple coated decking screw. You want a coated screw because there is a chance that if it is uncoated, the lime could interact with the metal over time. So I'm using a coated screw. Take your screw, you simply place it into the pilot hole, the pre-drilled pilot hole, and then you're just going to suck it up tight to the stud. You see that got sucked up a little bit tight right next to that stud. There's 2 pilot holes on each side in every Z-panel. So that one's attached, it's tight. So now I'm going to take my second panel, and you're simply going to set it on top of your first. You're going to push it in, straighten it out, and then you're going to screw in the second panel. See, that is tight, it's firm. So I'm going to grab a second stud so you can see how the second stud would be attached. Now here I'm going to go up 3 courses. I'm doing about a 7-foot wall because this is a smaller build. This is just a little greenhouse. But in a traditional home you would have either 8, 9, 10-foot walls. But for this one I'm just doing a 7-foot wall. So I'm going to put one more panel on top of the ones that are there right now, but just so you can see how the second stud would be attached, you would just take your stud, you would press it up tightly to your blocks, your Z-panels, and that's it.